Good morning. We're so glad you're here with the vlog. So if you enjoy this video, make sure you come back every day. Starting off our Saturday with a visit to James' favorite place in the neighborhood. So today is going to be more of a get ourselves kind of ready day. Sarah's going to go out, I think, to a coffee shop and edit the vlog because I think we need to do a 2 or 3-parter. And then cleaning up the apartment some. We've started packing. We'll show you that in a little later. So that feels real. So James and I are just here to grab some blueberries, some waffles, and then we're going to actually go full-fledged grocery shopping later at Aldi. We just wanted some plant-based waffles and some Green River because it's March. Look at how crazy this kid is lounging in the car while shopping. This is like some Ferris Bueller energy right here. Alright, I want to show you some Chicago pride-ness at the grocery store. This is a raw meat warning. It's your St. Patrick's Day corned beef headquarters. All the Green River and all the corned beef you could ever imagine. When you go to the grocery store with Dad on the weekends in your pajamas, you get a bag of chips to eat on the way home.
They finally got us. Got us some Moas.
I had to wait for the box to be opened.
He loves Monsters Inc.
Can we just point out how awesome Sarah looks in her Dale Norway? I feel this is the first time you've officially worn it.
Yeah, I am about to go to a local, like, what is that called? Cafe?
Or coffee shop.
Coffee shop. To do some like housekeeping, whatever stuff. Like what have we been calling it? Office hours.
Yeah.
And I was like, I've kind of been hesitant to wear it, like with the kids and eating. Like there's always grubby paws around me.
Yeah.
So I was like, I should wear it when I go because
you're still risky.
I'm very grubby myself. I am a messy person. So there is that risk, but less of a risk. Do you want to take a bite? Mmm. Oh, it's a little crunchy.
Mmm. Delicious. We are playing. Just me and Jamesy. Whoa. Teddy is napping. Hopefully naps for a little while. And James and I can get some one-on-one time. How fun is that? Ah! Yay! Boom, 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 boom. I don't know if you saw in the background in the past couple shots, but there's things missing on walls now, and in bookshelves, and above TVs, and on walls. So we've officially started packing, as I said earlier. The Billy cabinets are empty, things are off the wall, nails are getting removed. We've got our hallway. The Walt Disney autograph is down, our maps are down. Some of these bigger ones we're keeping up until I figure out how I want to package them. Either in a big box or wrap them up and everything, but we are starting to pack.
What silly business did I interrupt? Teddy, how'd you get to be so big? So quick.
Alright, we are out and about. We're walking to Fancy Plants.
50 degrees. It's a lovely day.
Yes, we're actually also hoping for the kids to simultaneously take a nap.
Yeah.
So that we can just walk around the neighborhood, soak in the vibes on this, one of the last few weekends and maybe one of the last few warm weekends. Oh, this is our turn.
Yeah.
I didn't know where I was going. So that's what we're up to. We've got to fundraise some money for Polar Plunge today because that's tomorrow.
And we started packing like Peter showed you. So we have like until we move basically, we have some like less fun stuff we gotta do. But hopefully if we do it like gradually, then we can throw in some fun stuff here and there.
Because you know we love to do that.
Alrighty, here is fancy plants. Everything is plant-based here. We got a little sleeping boy. We took a slight deviation, went into Marco's to see if they had any good furniture we're on the lookout for, but we left empty-handed. Plant-based, New York style bagel.
This is called a city date. The kids are asleep. We got food.
And these are $5. So this was a $10 date. And plant-based.
In the city?
They didn't have just egg, so they put avocado on there. It looks so good.
Plus, this is one of the first parks we had like adult parent-friend almost interactions. We were at this park once, which is like a hidden gem, and a family that lives in this building came out with their friends to play in the park, and we were playing with James, and one of the dads like offered me a beer, and it was one of those like, I felt like I was being asked out on a first date. Like, we could have been friends.
We took the boys here when Teddy was tiny, and it was like the first time he was like laughing.
Yeah.
I always remember this park as like Teddy's
And now
first
he's a
laugh.
teenager.
Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!
Alright, since the kids fell asleep on the walk, we didn't think it would be better if they both stayed home with one of us and the other one went grocery shopping. It's been a while since I went grocery shopping without one of the kids. Are Aldi replaced all of its cash registers with self-checkout except for one? I just have never seen that in Aldi. I feel like it's like against what Aldi stands for as a company, but all right. It made checking out quicker, but I have to go run over to Target and grab a few things that Aldi did not have.
Me and the boys just been hanging out. We're watching Onward. Whoa! Whoa! We are loving Mr. Potato Head lately. Probably just as much as we've been loving Onward. Teddy. Hey. Yeah, that's a cool new trick you learned.
Alright, I'm home now, and apparently it called for a dip party in the bed.
I'm gonna finish cooking up. We're gonna make bowls tonight. I already have chickpeas roasting and a rice and quinoa mix.
Wow.
Boiling.
Thank you.
We're gonna do an out of the bag haul today because everything is chaos in our house. We got some serious kale. Some serious romaine hearts. 2 things of Thai veggie basil dumplings. We fell in love with these in Florida. I'm so pumped for these. Publix sells them. We got spinach. We got more spinach. I am determined for us to finish this spinach. Some 12 grain bread. And So Delicious brand coconut milk yogurt. Yum. We got some major fruit. Blackberries, pineapple, strawberries, watermelon, cantaloupe. Holy moly. Coleslaw, red potatoes, and peppers. Already more produce coming in. Blueberries, onions, zucchini, avocados, and cucumbers. And then we have some hummus. Ooh, significantly spicy. Roasted garlic, some canned tomatoes and canned black beans. And then we have some wraps, some garlic knots. These are so good from Aldi, and they're accidentally vegan, so that's always great. And then artisan flatbreads and some tortillas, bananas that I forgot, some kombucha, apple cider vinegar, which I heard is good for acid reflux, vegan tzatziki dip, then pepperoncinis, lime juice, lemon juice, and avocado oil. And if you've noticed in the background of all of these shots, I told you this is gonna be a herky-jerky haul, is all of these new Penzi spices that Peter's mom gave to me. There's so many good ones. I'm excited about that. Say there's a pumpkin pie one. What are you? Spanish style smoked paprika, vindaloo seasoning, sweet curry. I'm so excited. I just need this space now. These don't fit in my cabinet currently. This Rogan Josh seasoning is what I have on the chickpeas, and it is so yummy. Alrighty, I'm gonna make these bowls now. Alrighty, these bowls have a base of the quinoa and rice mixed with cucumber and cherry tomatoes with lemon juice on top, as well as salt and pepper. Alrighty, then here are our toppings. We have vegan tzatziki sauce, peppercini sliced up, pickles sliced up, roasted chickpeas. I made some greens. I just fried kale and spinach up with plant-based butter, garlic, salt, pepper, and was that it? Maybe that's it. Oh, and some liquid smoke, and then some garlic hummus. Usually there would be some other roasted veggie on top of it, so I'm kind of feeling like they're a little bare, but my mind said I was making those, what are they called? Like garlic roll thingy-majigs? These, oh, garlic knots. And they're so good and filling. So that was my mind. I was like, oh, I'll make those instead of veggies. Yeah, hopefully it's yummy. Teddy's turn is Mr. Buckethead. Daddy's Mr. Buckethead. Oh no. Oh. Oh goodness, Evie. Did we run ya ragged today? Peter's been sweeping and organizing.
Make this place not look like a tornado because of all the boxes everywhere.
And I have edited like earlier, like the first bit of today's vlog, and there is just a lot of stuff everywhere. I was like in the background like, oh my gosh, there's that, but it's kind of the reality of the apartment for now.
For the next 3 weeks.
Yeah, wow. Are we signing off now, or are we?
It's good to be home.
It's good to be home. We did finish fundraising for Polar Plunge, so that'll be tomorrow. It's good to be home.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.